And we're looking at logarithms, example 4, part D. So here we go again. Solving implies to get whatever variable is in the equation by itself, x, all right? X is in one place. These all can be solved using these inverse operation ideas. In that order of operations, in reference to x, I don't see any parentheses. There is that logarithm there. All right, multiply, wouldn't that be the 3? Isn't that 3 a multiplier? And I don't see any adding or subtracting over there on the left side of the equation. So I would hope you would agree, as you talk your way through the order of operations, that multiply by 3 should be the first thing that we would eradicate, eliminate. And so we divide both sides by 3. And now the equation becomes the log base x of 427 equals 5. Awesome. Okay. So, basically we got rid of that multiplier with division. Exponents, logarithms. So you're just kind of working your way up the ladder here on the order of operations. I hope you would agree with me at this point that logarithm would be the next operation to get rid of. And I also hope you would have recognized that the current equation is a logarithmic type of equation. How do you get rid of a log? You burn it! I know, I've heard that one a million times. Okay, mathematically, how do you get rid of a logarithm? You change it to exponential. The logarithm dance that we practiced on examples number 1 and 2. Go back and look at those again, or look at that definition. X to the 5th power equals 427. That's what that would change into, and that's how you get rid of a logarithm. X to the 5th power equals 427. Yay, that's that logarithm dance. The base to this power equals this. You can't see my feet, it's not as good. Oh well, wish you were here for a live performance of this. We want x by itself. How do you get rid of a 5th power? We've talked about that many times before. That's a higher degree equation. 5th root would do that, all right? And mathematically, that changes that to x. 5th power gets rid of 5th root gets rid of 5th power. And then, how do I get that in my calculator? I want to remind you, the trick we pulled back in the day was to call that 427 to the 1/5 power. All right, that's again an old skill that we've had around. That would have been back on assignment number 12, if I'm not mistaken. And so parentheses 427, parentheses, raised to the parentheses 1 divided by 5, close the parentheses. We talked about this again on assignment number 12. And so putting that in a calculator and then rounding it to 4 places as instructed, 3.3580, bang. All right, so there's your x. And we will come back here in a few and we'll review how to find the inverse of a function that involves logarithms and exponentials. And it'll be very, very similar logic. I'm looking forward to it. How about you? Yeah, good.